Hi, my name is John Lonas. I'm from Autoworks Service and Repair in Prescott Valley, Arizona. And I've been working with Lyft for probably a little over a year now, a year and a half, I think, when they first started. And it was just Kelsey and a small little team. And over the year, he's progressed and grown. I don't know the SEO and website stuff. And so that's what I hired the professionals to do and the CRM. And apparently a nice super green sheet and everything's looking really, really good. So if it's like my inspections where we do green, yellow, red, I don't have any red. It's all green, and I think we got rid of the yellows a few weeks ago. So Lyft has been doing awesome. I like the monthly check-ins that they do with me on a monthly basis, and it's just nice to actually have face-to-face Zoom things instead of just a company sending me out an email just asking, did we do good, did we do bad? These guys actually take the time and show you what you're doing and how they're improving things and what you're doing is affecting the change in the marketing and the status of the shop. And I fully don't understand it, but these guys make it sound really good, and business has been great since I've joined up with them. It's also really nice having one person to deal with. In the past, I've dealt with one company that does the texting, one guy does the CRM stuff, one guy does the Google reviews, and it's been so nice eliminating 5 companies when I first signed up with Lyft to where it's just one company that I deal with, and I don't have to say one doesn't play well with the other one. These guys just do it all. There's one person to complain to and a monthly meeting, and it's been really, really nice having everything concentrated into one-stop shopping. So if you're interested in Lyft, get them. Yeah, it has been. It's just really been nice working with Lyft because, like I was saying, I was dealing with 5 or 6 other companies, and some would blame the other one doesn't do something. And I'm sending out 5 different payments. And yes, I was shocked at the total price of what Lyft was, but you guys have 3 different packages. I said, well, if you guys can do it all, let's go with the gold package or whatever the top one is. And it's taken a few months. It probably took 6 or 8 months before we actually implemented the majority of the stuff because I wanted to see what you guys could do. But it really is nice just dealing with one company. Hopefully you guys just continue to grow and be customer oriented so you don't get too big and forget about us little guys.